Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Before we get started on things, make sure to watch the previous video to see more details about this and more tours. And here I will give you the Vedic Village room tour, and here we are at the Vedic Village Spa Resort. If you like this video, then you must like the hotel. And if you do, then you should definitely go there with your family and friends. It's really fun to go to the village, and yeah, you guys should totally go there. This is the table, and this is the dining room, and this is a small kitchen, which is not really a kitchen. You can make coffee. This is the bedroom. There's this and there's a bed. And over here is the bathroom. This is the bathroom. This is the bathroom. This works. Does it work? Oh. Good. See, this is the bathroom. And this is an outside shower. And there's some more privacy. So no one will knock over you or anyone. This is the outside shower. No one is going to do that. This is the toilet. Yeah. This is the shower. And this is and this is the closet. There is two entries. There is very nice sink. And there is a weight thing. What is it? Okay. This is two entrances, one from the bedroom and one from the living room. Outside the villa, there's seats outside, and there is also another room with a very nice view. Villa view, and that is the villa. Anyways, hope you like this video. Make sure to subscribe and like, and also share. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. The resort room is